Hey guys, this is going to be a quick review of this RedTiger Dash Cam. So this is the F7N Touch, and this dash cam comes with a front cam and a back cam. So let's get into what all comes in the box here. It looks like we've got the front camera itself, which has a suction cup to go onto the front window where you can actually lock it. You can see it's actually doing the suctioning as I do that motion. And then this is actually a touch screen on this model, so we will look at that shortly. It looks like we already have a micro SD card in here. We do. It comes with a 64 gigabyte Lexar card, so that's nice. We'll stick that back in there. Now let's set that aside, and it looks like we come with right here a charging cable for it. So this is going to plug into your cigarette lighter and have a nice long cable with a right angle USB-C to plug into the camera. So that plugs in, let's see, at the top right here. We've got a little tool for something, not sure on that yet. And then right here, we've got the backup camera. So how does this work right here? That's what I'm curious about. Looks like you've got a bit of an auxiliary cord right here. And does this plug into the main camera? It does right here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to get this installed, and then we'll go over the details of how it works. Okay guys, I've got it all wired up now. You can see the reverse camera in the top left and then the main camera right here. Picture quality is pretty clear. I'm going to put a video of the actual camera later in this video. But let's connect to the app now. So we need to go into the instruction manual and scan this app right here. I'm going to do that now. Okay, the RedTiger app, let's get that. Okay, we'll hit I agree. We'll add camera, allow while using app. Done that. Now we need to actually select the camera Wi-Fi. All right, then we need to add this F7N Touch right here. And the default password is 1234567 Now to get that to show up, I had to actually go on the camera and go into the settings here and then hit the Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, and you can see that it is now showing the Wi-Fi and the password. So back to here, we'll set this up to 1234567 and we'll hit join, and we can hit add camera, allow. Okay, now we are successfully connected. Okay guys, so let's test a couple other things. So the nice thing is this is totally touchscreen. So if you want to turn on voice commands, you can just hit that little voice command icon up there and you can see it turns off, or you can turn it back on and you will have voice commands back. So you can see down here that we are recording, but if I say turn off recording, it stops it. And then I can say turn on recording and it will start again. So you can see if you hit the Wi-Fi button there, that's how you connect with your phone, which is very nice. Now, after using this camera for a few days, there's a couple things you need to know about it. It's not really meant to be used with your phone and without your phone at the same time. So you either really hook up to the app and you use that to control the device, or you let the device do its own thing. And if you ever have a wreck or anything, then you get on the app at that point and you can download the video, or you can take out the SD card. But the voice control is super nice. So I think that's mainly what I'm gonna do, because I don't wanna have to connect to the camera every time I get in the car. But you still have that option if you want to review the footage on your phone, and I'm going to show a couple pieces of that footage now. So pretty interesting camera from RedTiger. I'll have links for it down below. I hope you enjoyed.